Intro, strong hook. Voiceover. Imagine waking up to the sound of your AI assistant brewing your chai, your robotic vacuum cleaning the floor, and your personal humanoid bot reminding you of your daily tasks. Feels like a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you this is not the future? It's already happening. And whether we like it or not, robots are gearing up to become our daily assistants. The real question is, are we ready? Or are we walking straight into a robotic takeover? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just rethink your entire future. Point 1. The rise of AI and robotics. From smart speakers to self-driving cars, AI has already sneaked into our daily lives. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, they are just the beginning. Companies in India and Bangladesh are developing AI bots for banking, customer service, and even home automation. The trend is clear. Robots aren't coming. They're already here. But wait, before you start picturing a utopia of helpful bots, here's something to think about. What happens when these robots get too smart? What happens when they don't just assist us, but start replacing us? Pattern. Interrupt. Humorous line. Voiceover. And let's be real. Do we really want a robot that nags us about our diet? Sanjeev, you have ordered biryani thrice this week. Switching to salad mode now. Yeah, no thanks. Point 2. How robots will change our daily routines. Think about your day. Cooking? A robot chef. Cleaning? Robotic vacuum. Shopping? AI-powered recommendations. Even in offices, robots are managing emails, scheduling meetings, and handling customer complaints. And for those who dream of never having to iron clothes again, there's already a machine for that, too. The speed of automation is crazy. But here's the catch. If robots handle everything, where does that leave us? Are we becoming too dependent? What happens when the power goes out or the AI makes a mistake? Cliffhanger to keep audience engaged. And trust me, AI mistakes have already led to some terrifying consequences. But before I tell you about that, let's talk about jobs. Point 3. Will robots take our jobs? Let's be honest. The biggest fear isn't robots helping us. It's robots replacing us. In India and Bangladesh, industries like manufacturing, banking, and even customer service are being automated at an alarming rate. Some say new jobs will emerge, while others fear mass unemployment. So, who's right? Well, here's a mind-blowing fact. By 2030, up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be automated. But before you panic and throw your laptop out the window, listen to this. Pattern interrupt, sarcasm. Not all robots are job-stealing villains. Some are just glorified calculators with better PR. So, if you're worried, maybe it's time to start upgrading your skills instead of arguing with your toaster. Point 4. The dark side of robot assistant. Now, here's the part that will make you rethink everything. AI assistants are not just learning, they are evolving. From deepfake scams to AI writing convincing emails, the dangers are real. Imagine a robot assistant that knows your passwords, banking details, and personal secrets. Feels a little creepy, doesn't it? Data privacy is a huge concern. And if AI falls into the wrong hands, let's just say Hollywood's robot uprising movies might not be so fictional after all. Cliffhanger. But before we get too paranoid, what if robots could actually make our lives better in ways we never imagined? Let's talk about the future. Point 5. The future of robotic assistants. Should we embrace or fear them? Voiceover. Like it or not, robots are the future. But here's the good news. It's up to us to decide how we use them. If we innovate responsibly, robots could solve labor shortages, assist the elderly, and even revolutionize healthcare. Imagine AI doctors diagnosing diseases instantly, or humanoid bots helping in disaster zones. The key is balance, embracing AI while setting ethical boundaries. So, Will robots be our greatest allies or our biggest mistake? That depends on us. Conclusion. Strong CTA. So, what do you think? Will robots become our trusted assistants, or are we creating something we can't control? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the future of tech is just getting started, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.